Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm making green chili chicken enchiladas, and I'll be using my 6-quart Instant Pot Ultra and my Breville Smart Oven Air. Here are some of the ingredients I'll be using today. I have 4 chicken breasts, some kosher salt, black pepper, oregano, granulated onion and garlic, some ground cumin, and some hot Mexican chili powder. First, we want to start by liberally seasoning the chicken on both sides. Next, I'm spraying my preheated Instant Pot with some olive oil, and I'm going to brown the chicken on both sides. After browning the chicken, I decided to add in some minced onion and garlic. Now I'm adding in 1 can of chicken broth. I'm closing up the pressure cooker and I'm setting it to cook for 12 minutes. Once the chicken was done cooking, I moved it to another bowl and I used my KitchenAid hand mixer to shred it up. Once the chicken was shredded, I added in some cream cheese that I let come to room temperature. I added in a can of Rotel and a can of diced green chilies. And then I got some roasted salsa verde and some green chili sauce so I could build the enchiladas. So I am adding my chicken mixture, and then I'm topping it with cheese and some of the roasted green salsa, and then roll it up, and I'm adding it to my baking dish that I have sprayed with cooking spray. So I repeat this until I'm all done. I'm actually using 2 baking pans because I made enough for 2 days, and this is what they look like. Top with the green chili sauce, top with some shredded cheese, and then it's time to bake in the oven. I baked at 325 for 20 minutes in my Breville. If you use a standard oven, then I recommend 350 for about 25-30 minutes. And that's it, they're done. So I served these up with some pinto beans that I made in my pressure cooker. I'll have a link to that video above and in the description box. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. And come hang out with me on Facebook. I'll put a link to my groups in the description box. As always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.